Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hot hatches of the year, the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This iconic car continues its legacy with fresh upgrades, modern design, and the same thrilling performance that made it a legend. The Volkswagen Golf GTI was first introduced in 1976 as a high-performance version of the popular Golf hatchback. It quickly earned a reputation as the original, hot hatch, and became a benchmark for sporty compact cars worldwide. Designed and developed by Volkswagen, a German automobile manufacturer, the Golf GTI reflects a perfect balance of power, style, and everyday usability. Germany remains one of the top countries where the Golf GTI is not only manufactured but also widely used. However, its popularity stretches across the globe, with the United States, the United Kingdom, and several European countries being major markets. It's particularly loved by car enthusiasts who appreciate its mix of practicality and sporty drive. The 2025 model brings a refreshed design with sleeker headlights, an aggressive front bumper, and improved aerodynamics. Inside, it boasts a modern digital cockpit, premium materials, and intuitive controls that make driving both comfortable and exciting. Performance-wise, the 2025 Golf GTI is a beast in a compact form. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 265 horsepower, delivering punchy acceleration and razor-sharp handling. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just around 5.9 seconds, it keeps up with more expensive sports cars while still being suitable for daily use. The GTI's dynamic chassis, adaptive suspension, and precise steering offer a thrilling driving experience, whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling winding mountain roads. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Golf GTI is surprisingly efficient for a performance car. It offers an estimated fuel economy of around 28 miles per gallon combined, making it ideal for those who want power without compromising on fuel costs. It's a perfect example of German engineering that blends speed with smart efficiency. The GTI is also packed with capabilities that elevate the driving experience. Features like a front limited slip differential, driving mode selector, advanced safety systems, and a high-end infotainment system make it more than just a fast hatch. It's a tech-savvy, everyday performer. Key features include a 10-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, and a premium audio system. These additions make the 2025 GTI not only fun to drive but also comfortable and connected. As for the price, the base model starts around $32,000, which is highly competitive considering the performance and features it delivers. Higher trims with added options may go up to $40,000. The main selling point of the 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI lies in its all-around capability. It offers sports car performance, cutting-edge tech, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality, all in one stylish package. It's a car that appeals to both the heart and the head, making it a top pick for those who want the best of both worlds. If you're looking for a thrilling yet practical car in 2025, the Volkswagen Golf GTI is definitely worth a closer look.